Hi guys, it's Christina here from Life According to Kay. Good to see you. Today I actually wanted to talk a little bit about what most recently I had the opportunity to do. We talk about independence and DIY on this channel, so I would really be remiss if I did not share some DIY tips for saving money. Because this is a huge part of my life, I thought I'd share it with you guys. So let's take a look at what I happened to do this past week. So these are just some of the options that I have as far as where I would like to have my $20 gift card funds be placed to. I have a Sam's Club subscription right now, and I will tell you guys more about DIY saving money with Sam's Club on a later video. But Sam's Club is an option. Movie watching here, Regal. If some of you ladies love makeup, Sephora, you can take some money off there. So many different options for free, just for spending some time giving my opinions on whether or not a movie would be viable or not. Nordstrom Rack. Marshalls, for you ladies that like to shop. We also have practical ones too. Kohl's, Joann's, Hulu. It goes on and on. H&M. There are, DSW, Delta, CVS. So many different options, guys. So many different options if you have pets. Chewy. If you're into mental health, the Calm app right here. So many options. And as you can see here, I have $20. It doesn't expire, is what they gave me. And I am just having a time trying to choose which card I'm going to ask them to provide me with for free. But I highly recommend it. I'm going to go ahead in the description of this video and give you guys the link to the company that does previews, and they have them all around the country. And if you sign up, you'll get emails randomly about coming to a preview. And some of them do gift cards, some of them do other types of prizes. It's all free and it's money you weren't expecting. So when we talk about DIY and being independent, this is an awesome, fun way to be able to do that without spending your money. Welcome, new and old lifers. My name is Christina, and this is Life According to Kay channel, where you get to watch me and my dog, AJ, explore what it means to be independent through DIY projects, fun excursions, healthy food hacks, and everything in between. I hope to see you guys again next Sunday and every Sunday. I am so excited that you choose to spend life with me and AJ, and I look forward to hearing more from all of you. Subscribe, like, comment, and share if you want to see more content, and let me know your thoughts on just about any subject we talk about here in the comments or by email. My email's in the description box, as well as some info on other social media platforms where you can catch the Life ATK Indie Lifer Spirit every week. Here we believe you don't just do life, you are life. All right, now on to the show. Lego. Okay, so this past week I had the opportunity to be able to go see a movie preview for free, a movie that will be coming out soon. And of course, I can't say anything else other than that, or where it was, or any of that. But what was cool is the rewards. So for being able to spend, maybe like 2 hours of my time being able to watch something and give my commentary on whether I felt like it would be viable for other audiences, they provided a gift card to everybody who came to the event. So because of that, I wanted to show you guys just how you can easily be able to save money with doing things like going to movie previews. There are other ways as well, but this one, I thought this is a good one. Really easy, really fun. let me show you when I clicked the link in my email saying that, hey, thank you for coming. You did a great job. Thank you for giving your opinion. Take a look at all the different options I have for my $20 gift card as far as free money, guys. Let's take a look. All right, it was a tough decision, but I decided to use my $20 and split it between two different cards. You never know when you may need a ride somewhere. And being independent, sometimes you do have car issues that are out of your control. So I figured putting $10 towards an Uber account might be a good thing. And then $10 towards those little things that come up that you may not be able to go to the store and get right away, Amazon. And that's how it is. That's how simple it is with this. Again, free money split across two cards to help me in the future. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. Again, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you've done any kind of previews before, or if you, what are some other ways that you've been able to save money, save time, and be independent with your time. See you later, guys.